Hi guys, Janet here from the Mummy and the Monkey here on YouTube. This is part of our Monster Hustle playlist. It is Monday, May 18th. Wow, almost the end of May already. That's crazy. Hopefully you guys out there are doing good. I sold 13 things over the weekend, so wanted to share the sales, and the sales were on eBay. I only had one Poshmark order on Friday, and I already packed it up, so I can't show that. But here's the things I sold on eBay over the weekend. I'm Janet Decay the Mummy.
And I'm Grimm Gorri the Monkey.
And together we host
the Mummy and the Monkey's Hairy Scary Hangout!
Friday nights on Facebook Live.
Well, that was interesting.
Whoa.
Wow.
Alright, so let me try to put a light on this. See if this little light helps any. Let's start with this sweater. So I'm just really surprised that I even sold a sweater in May. But it's a nice brand, and maybe someone somewhere is having some cold weather. This is United Colors of Benetton. It's made in Italy. It's a wool sweater, size extra large. So here's what it looks like. It has this nice design, and it's like a nice warm sweater. This sold for $25 plus shipping. I originally had it at a higher price, but it took a while to sell, and I sent out offers to people watching, and someone bought it just last night. So $25, and I think I paid maybe $4 to $5 for this at a Goodwill store. And then this is a VHS tape, Scream, the original Scream movie with Neve Campbell, David Arquette, Drew Barrymore, 90s horror films. This sold for $6 plus media mail shipping. All right, this is a Coach bag. It's a vintage Coach bag, has the little turn lock. The zipper on it is broken, and I think I picked this up at a flea market for $1 or $2. I don't remember. But it's numbered 9818, and it says made in Costa Rica. So this sold for $15. I was hoping it would sell for a little more, but that's okay. It's getting out of here. So $15 plus shipping. All right, these dollies here, these are 1980s Barbie dolls. There's a Ken, here's a Barbie, here's another Barbie with longer hair. And those sold for $7 plus shipping. They're definitely in like played with condition, so I just lotted them up together. The 80s Barbies, most of them don't go for much, but people still like them. So $7 plus shipping. This is a Little People furniture lot. I think this is from the nursery school play set. It has like an art easel, a little teeter-totter, table and chairs. I believe this went for $12 plus shipping. So that's Little People, Fisher Price, from the probably late 60s, early 70s. All right, this is an Under Armour ladies tank top, size large. This went for $6 plus shipping. This was from the Goodwill bins last summer. It weighs nothing, so $6 plus shipping on that. These are little Barbie doll shoes. I don't remember what those went for. Those are little Barbie mules. I'm going to check the price real quick. Let's see. They're itty bitty. Where are they? $7 plus shipping for those, and they're teeny tiny. All right, more Fisher Price sink and toilet. I think this also goes to the nursery school play set. These went for $10 shipped. Cupid doll. Cupid doll, or a Cupid bootleg, made in Taiwan, 1970s with the big eyes, and then someone back in the day knitted or crocheted a little outfit for Cupid doll. So Cupid doll plus the outfit went for $9.99 plus shipping. Here is a Bratz doll in the box, Style It Fashion Collection. This is Style It Dana. This went for $19 plus shipping, and this is going, I believe, to Canada through global shipping. So $19 plus shipping on the Bratz doll. This is a Barbie vintage. They're like little shorts from the early 70s. It's marked Barbie by Mattel. Not in the best condition, but these went for $10 shipped. They weigh nothing. It's going to be easy to ship. This is a vintage Big Eyes made in Japan rubber baby doll. This went for $17 plus shipping. The vintage Big Eye dolls, people still collect them. She's in rough condition, but someone still wanted her. $17 plus shipping for this creepy little baby doll. It's that kitsch factor. People like the weird kitschy stuff with the big eyes. And then, last but not least, this is really cool. This is the best flip of the weekend. I paid about $7 or $8 for this at a Savers store. This is a Hammett bag. Hammett, Los Angeles, H-A-M-M-I-T-T. This is actually made in LA. It's made in the USA. It's a nice leather purse with a shoulder strap, and it's a real heavy leather. The lining has some stains, so I did put that in the listing. I paid about $7 for it, $8. It sold for $90 on a best offer. If this were in better condition, this could be $150. I had it at $125 or best offer. Brand new, these purses are anywhere from $300 to $500. They're handmade, and they're like really high quality where they're made to last a long time. And I think that... Hey guys, wanted to share some sales. This is the next day. This is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. Had some sales go through between yesterday evening and early this morning. So we'll start with this Barbie case, the World of Barbie doll case. This was originally purchased during the fall and winter months when I bought some Barbie doll lots on Poshmark and Mercari. This was packed full of vintage Barbie and Skipper doll stuff, so I have definitely profited from that lot. This case only sold for $10, even though these are great. These vintage cases don't really sell for a whole lot, but sometimes collectors like them. I think most collectors are wanting the contents of inside the cases more than the case. Alright, and then this item here, the vintage like Catholic religious stuff seems to sell. I don't remember the name for this, but this holds the like communion wafer. So there's that, and it's gold tone, and it comes with a little like traveling case, travel pouch. This sold for $16 plus shipping. This is a little Fisher Price Little People guy from the late 60s, early 70s. He's got a little pot on his head. So would he be considered a pothead? Ha ha ha. He sold for $3.90 plus shipping. Alright, so here's an item that sold, but then a half hour later the customer canceled on me. So easy come, easy go. This is Skipper, the original Skipper doll from 1963 or 1964. She sold for $45 and then someone immediately canceled. And she does come with her original metal stand. So she is going to be relisted, and I might lower the price and put it at like $40. I know these metal stands are hard to find, and that's why I had her price a little bit higher. Because I know people like these doll stands. So, sorry Skipper, you have to stay with us a little bit longer. So I'll set her over there. This is Beast Boy DC Universe. I listed this yesterday and it sold overnight. This sold for $40 plus shipping. I guess they didn't make a lot of these guys. And even though the box is a little dinged up, someone still wanted it. So that's cool. $40 plus shipping. Circa was a brand of makeup that I think Walgreens used to carry that is now discontinued. I sold a bunch of these in the past and made some money off of them. Originally, I bought a bunch of this from a discount store called Mark's that's popular in Northeast Ohio. And this sold for only $4. But in the past, like last year when I bought a bunch of them, some of these eyeshadows and little makeups were going for like 10 and 20 bucks, and I was paying $1 and $2 for them. So hey, $4, and I think that might be the last of the Circa makeup that I had listed. So $4 plus shipping there. These are some little high heels. Well, not high heels. They're like 3-inch kitten heels with pointed toe. Almost like a Mary Jane style of shoe. They're leather. Like a lady's dress shoe by Mark Fisher. Mark Fisher is a pretty good brand. And I was hoping that these would sell for more. But over time I got frustrated with waiting and lowered the price to $16. They're a size 8.5 medium. And yeah, they're just in good shape. Gently used ladies' shoes there. Alright, here's another dolly toy. This is a PJ Barbie, or a PJ fashion doll. She is friends of Barbie. She's Barbie's brunette friend. And she's from the early 1980s. Sweet Roses PJ. I don't have her original outfit or box, but I did sell her for $9.99 with this little like disco jumpsuit thing. So some collector will still enjoy her. $9.99 plus shipping there. And this is way cool. I love Halloween stuff. I love monster stuff. And this is a Grandpa Munster doll. Probably from the 80s or 90s, even though it is marked like 1960 whatever. I don't believe the doll is that old. But this is Grandpa Munster, and he sold for $36 plus shipping. And I had a handful of Munster toys listed on eBay for quite a while. And they do sell, but they don't sell very often. So I'm happy that he sold and that we can get Grandpa Munster a new home. He's going out to California. So have fun in the sun, Grandpa Munster. Guys, this is crazy. So that Skipper doll that I told you was canceled, it sold. It sold again. So someone bought it last night, canceled the order, so I refunded it and relisted it, and then it sells again. So this sold for $45 plus shipping. This is an original Skipper doll from around 1963. 1964, has her original outfit, the original shoes, her hair is in good condition, she's real clean, and then she has her original metal stand. So I'm really happy that that sold because I was kind of disappointed when the person canceled it. So there's another $45 added to my sales. Woohoo! Alright, so there's 2 more things that I need to pack up once I get the Skipper doll packed up. And this is a Catwoman mask. Kind of new old stock. It's new, but the packaging's worn here. Like this is all bent up. It's like a rubber face mask for Halloween. And this sold for $20 with shipping included. They don't go for a lot, but it is from the 90s, I believe. And that's the Ruby's costumes. I bought this from a liquidation place last fall, I think. So it was listed for quite a while. So that's $20 with shipping included. So maybe like $15 if I deduct the shipping. Maybe paid $1 for it. Not a big deal there. Night Eyes 3. This is an old VHS tape. This sold for $20 plus media mail shipping. This is from 1993, starring Andrew Stevens and Shannon Tweed, Tracy Tweed. Some like erotic movie thing. I've never seen it, but it looks cheesy as hell. So I think someone will enjoy it. If you guys sold anything cool, or if you found anything cool recently, maybe your thrift store's opened back up, maybe you found something cool on Facebook through Marketplace, put it in the comments below. Remember to hit like, hit the subscribe button. As always, thank you for watching. Mwah! Bye-bye.